say 15, 20 or more than teacher educators, technologists, no people who are in technology and who are setting the strategy for teaching comes together on this platform and they talk. So this is the best way, and I am very much fascinated that if we blend these Web 2.0 tool, the entire world is experimenting with this, that how to blend technology and education. I think if we could do this in a manner which really fulfills the objective of education, of educating our children, this will be a wonderful job. So this webinar, when we talk about the online presentation, we have idea. I just want to give idea. I have a small presentation which is about technology integrated plan. What Greg has talked about, the various resources, and this I have kept here in the webinar, as a part of webinar, so that as educators from India and across the country are there present, they may know that what is really professional development environment. What are the resources we can use, and the same resources we can use in the class, we can have the same online also. So this is how we can integrate what we have. I will just give you the example of this technology integrated plan. If just kindly let me know if you can see it on screen. This I have prepared a yes, this is a technology integrated plan, a model of plan which I have developed because I'm a science teacher educator working especially on science. I have prepared this small technology integrated activity for everybody, the teachers who are very much scared of technology and those who love technology can experiment more. Then what is it? Now it's a very general topic about cell. Everybody knows what is cell. So I have planned it in a way which is very much in the pedagogy of teaching, how a content should be taught and how we integrate technology in it. So this is an example of a cell. You can see this teaching point, material required, teacher activity, student activity, and computer skill involved in practice. So a novice, one who do not know anything about computer, also can make this plan and start learning. So step by step, they can learn it, and gradually they will have, they'll become the masters of it. Now, if the first point is cell as a basic unit of life, block, and these are the materials which are required. They are free to use, anything, whatever is available, even a small laptop will do. So teacher activities here that they start with a PowerPoint presentation. Now, for some of the teachers, PowerPoint is also something like, okay, my God, what is this? This is something very difficult. No, I just cannot do it. So when they start doing with this PowerPoint, they learn each and every function of this software, application software. Then these are the teaching activity. What the teacher will do, they will compare a cell with that of a brick wall. Now where they're going to get this content? They will get this content from internet, from the web. They will learn the browsing skill, and then they will go to the websites which are already there, especially for the cell, the educational websites they will browse for, and they will prepare this small portion of plan. Now, student activities, students should be involved throughout. If they are not involved, not interacting, the objective of teaching is not fulfilled. So that has also to be kept in mind. Now, while teacher is presenting this, is preparing this, first of all, the skills he is going to achieve is that he learns to work on PowerPoint, he makes slides, he uses animations, and he uses all custom features of PowerPoint, and this is how gradually he can perfect the skill. Then browsing net is also very important. How teachers browse net, because there is a lot of content. What is the authenticity of browsing and what they should look for? What are the important points here? Then this, how they will download, because this downloading and uploading of content also seems to be a very major problem for the teachers who just start. Now, the second thing which I'm going to teach in the class is the size of the cell. Now, how many type of cells are there? What are the size of the cell? How we inculcate that, how students should take care of their body, because body is made up of cells, why they should take care, everything, all the objectives of cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain can be introduced in through this plan. You can see the details of the websites I have given. Somewhere I'm using videos, some I'm using websites, sometimes Wikipedia, sometimes blogs, and sometimes your Blogster. So using everything, I have made this plan, and then I give hyperlink. So here, the skill being practiced by the teacher is hyperlink, how to hyperlink to the web pages directly, how to browse. Yeah, and then to make small animations also. They can start because there are so many free websites which give them facility to make animations. And the third thing is the structure of cell. Here we have videos from YouTube, or we have visited the website which made the videos available, and we talk about the various type of cells. Then the most important part of this is when we discuss about the organelles, also the various internal parts of the cell. And then the very importantly, we come to the culminating part of our plan, because this is the most important part. What we learned is now to be practiced. How students will develop this blended learning skills, that is also required. Now this is the activity which I have planned for, that we will have online class. Now online class, this using the interactive channels or the website, we can meet students in informal environment also. Maybe many children, those who are not present there in the class, cannot see this, and they can watch it, they can come on net, they can sit comfortably at home, and they can take the entire lesson to their friends, to their whatever and wherever they want to take. Then this also gets recorded. If teacher has no facility to use the IT tools in the classroom, the teacher can simply take this recording to the class in her laptop also. So this is how the various activities are integrated, and we blend, and we have kept in mind all those who are very much techno savvy and who can do just little with technology to start with. So ultimately